What's up, online shoppers? I am so excited that Keranique gifted me their Volumizing shampoo and conditioner set. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Now, I have been looking at this company for a while and just wanting to try their products. So I'm so excited to try it right now. I definitely am not somebody who has a lot of hair. It's very thin, and it's been that way for pretty much my whole life, especially now that I have entered my later years in life. Hair thinning is a reality. Now, this is their follicle strengthening shampoo in the volumizing formula, and I am ridiculously excited to give it a try. So what makes this shampoo and conditioner different? It's the blend of keratin and biotin and all kinds of botanicals that are just absolutely awesome. When you think of biotin and keratin together, they are like a volume boosting power couple. When you put that into shampoo and conditioner, I'm really looking forward to seeing how that feels and makes my hair look. Now, I also know that as I've gotten older, my hair is more prone to breakage, and so something like this is definitely going to be an added boost to helping me maintain the hair that I have. As far as the bottles, I just gotta say, it's a really sexy bottle. I love the applicator here. It's just a little click to apply. And the smell of this is fantastic. It has invigorating ingredients in here. What does that mean? Well, it has menthol, vegetable protein to fortify and strengthen, keratin to strengthen, carob to moisturize, and it has arginine to help with elasticity boosting because brittle hair needs all the help it can get. And up until this point, I've been putting niacinamide on my face, but in this shampoo, they put niacinamide in here to help you moisturize your hair. Now, what makes Keranique different is that they have a Keratin Amino Acid Complex that is proprietary to them that helps with strengthening, moisturizing, and volumizing thin, weak, brittle hair. It helps to thicken the hair shaft, it helps to increase shine, and it helps to reinforce and protect all kinds of hair. Whether you have thin, brittle hair like me, or you have thicker, more voluminous hair, anybody can benefit from using Keratin's Rejuvenate Healthy Hair Growth and Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. I like to think of using this as self-care for my hair. We always put a lot of time into our skin and into all other parts of our body, but a lot of times we neglect our hair, and this is a great way to give your locks a little bit of TLC. As well, when I read the ingredient list on here, I do not see things like dyes or sulfates or any of the other kinds of chemicals that I associate with not good. Now, a quick flip to the back of the container shows us awesome stuff. Cruelty-free, it is that clean ingredients, and it's been third-party tested. All of those things make me super comfortable trying this on my hair. Now, Keranique makes a couple different formulations of their healthy hair growth shampoo and conditioner sets. They have one that is specifically designed for deep hydration. There's one called Color Boost for those of you who color your hair. There's one for damage control for extra brittle, extra dry, extra limp hair. And then, of course, the volumizing one. I cannot wait to try this, and I am very thankful for the opportunity to give this a test drive. The smell is absolutely fantastic. The ingredients inside make me feel good about using it, and I am really looking forward to letting you know. But based on all the things I've already told you, I think the Keranique shampoo and conditioner volumizing formula is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.